everyone, welcome back. So today's video is a haul video that I never thought I personally would do because I just never thought about doing it before. But let me tell you, since owning our home, obviously if you didn't know, Tom and I have recently bought a house and we're in, and you know, we're making progress and settling in and it's lovely. In my old house that I rented, I did clean and I did enjoy cleaning. However, because it wasn't mine, I wasn't as into it. Does that make any sense? But now that it is our home, I'm like, oh, I really want to clean. I want to, you know, make it as, you know, clean, pristine and disinfected as possible, especially in these times. And I have really, I mean, who hasn't been loving Mrs. Hinch for the last few years? But recently, since becoming a homeowner, the obsession has got a bit bigger and I now follow a lot of cleaning influencers and really enjoy watching cleaning routines. So if you don't enjoy cleaning, then maybe this video is not for you. But I also want to say, this is not a typical cleaning haul. This isn't, oh, I need this, I'll pop and get it. This is a collection, like we're starting our cleaning cupboard, like our cleaning collection. We had nothing. I left a lot of the stuff at the old house or it had run out, and we've now got like our base collection that hopefully we won't have to, you know, replenish for a long time. So if you think this is excessive, it probably is. My sister completely took the mick out of me when, you know, I sent her a video, but then she was like, actually I really want to get all that stuff too and get cleaning. So I was like, haha. So it is kind of big, the haul that I'm about to show you. And let me also note that a lot of it was ordered online from the range. Tom picked some bits up from B&M and Poundland, and I think that's everything. Yeah, but these caddies, like these little baskets, are amazing just for keeping things in order. Like in one of the cupboards, we've got like DIY bits and bobs, they're all in there. We've got like a first aid box, we've got Rupert's bath box. Like they're just brilliant for keeping things in order that otherwise might look a bit of a mess. And you know, I will end up labelling these and having different boxes for different cleaning products for different rooms. So loads of these baskets, they're about, you know, £1, £1.50, £2, and I think they're all from B&M. Right, I'm going to start with the laundry. So I have very sensitive skin and I'm allergic to a lot of laundry brands. However, Lenore is absolutely fine, which thrills me because I love the Spring Awakening scent. So we got the bold all-in-one with built-in Lenore Spring Awakening pods. I just find those the easiest, and again, not allergic to them, so that's great. I got the Lenore Spring Awakening fabric conditioner. If you haven't smelled this, like, oh, it's amazing, and it's making the entire room smell like this. We got the Lenore In-Wash Scent Booster in Spring Awakening. We got the Febreze Fabric Refresher. This one is in Spring Awakening in the Lenore collection, but this one isn't. This just says classic, so I'm not sure if they're different at all. And then we got the Febreze Air Mist in Spring Awakening, and then probably one of my favourite products ever are, I love Tumble dry sheets anyway because they reduce the static, and obviously I've got Rupert and his hair just kind of gets everywhere and it obviously lifts that. But, oh, the smell. But putting them in pillowcases is literally genius. Like, who came, was it Mrs. Hinch that started this? This is how I learned this. You put it in a pillowcase, it smells like you're at a hotel, it smells like freshly done bedding, and it's just, oh, I just love it. But it also makes, I've popped one in Rupert's drawer of his like clothes and toys. You can put them in artificial flowers to make those smell nice. It's just incredible, and these were £1, so I'm very much here for Tumble dry sheets. Who'd have thought? What a change in direction this channel's gone. I feel like I've become a homebody in about, you know, a quick turnaround. Also, I'm sorry the background is so plain, but as you know, furniture just isn't really happening right now, so things are coming slowly. So for now, we're in an empty living room. We got a few of these empty spray bottles to dilute Zoflora in, or concentrated disinfectants. So there's that. So this, I love. This, I think, is actually from Asda. I think my sister picked this one up for me. So it's a little pink basket that looks like a little shopping basket. And basically, if I'm like, oh, I want to clean the sink, what products do I want today? I'll put those in here and just carry this off. So this is genius. So maybe I don't have to individually label the boxes. Or maybe I still will, I don't know. But yeah, I love this. I think this is such a good idea. And then I've got my... well, that just all fell down. Got some Zofloras. So I've got a Linen Fresh, a Bouquet, and a Country Garden. And which one's already open? So we'll put that one at the front. And I've got a Fabulosa Honeysuckle and Jasmine Disinfectant. And then, of course, I bought the pet one, so Fresh Home Odour Remover and Disinfectant in Mountain Air. You know, the one with the dogs on the front, so I got those. I feel like no one wants to... I'm obsessed with watching cleaning videos, so like, if this isn't for you, I'm sorry. You won't even be watching, so that's fine. In my next basket, I believe this is all like multi-purpose products. So, we've got some Dettol multi-purpose cleaning wipes. We have... I've got a few of these, but we've got the Sif Cream, 100% natural. So this I love for sinks. I love it for sinks. That's what I've used it for so far. We have a Squeegee. So I've got two of these because one is going to be for the bathroom for the... It's not a shower curtain, it's like a glass version. What is that called? I don't know, a shower screen. So one's for that, and then one's also for sort of dragging up on carpets to get, dog hair and all that good stuff that we find on our stairs. We of course have got Mr. Sheen multi-surface polish. I mean, this is what I remember my mum just constantly using growing up. We've got a box which is over there because I've put the sort of cloths in their own section. So we got a box of 2 pink stuffs and it came with a cloth. So these are, it says the Miracle Cleaning Paste. It's tough on stains. I'm yet to ever try this, but so many people talk about it online and say literally if another cleaning product is not working, try this. So very excited to do so. I have the Flash Traditional Collection multi-purpose with bicarbonate of soda. So I used this on the countertops the other day and that worked really nicely. We have Astonish Window and Glass with vinegar for a streak-free shine. And also, by the way guys, these were all like £1, £1.50, £2. Like literally everything in this video was, so brilliant stuff. I've got a spray version of these Star Drops, the pink stuff. Also, let me know your cleaning tips in the comments. Let me know your favourite cleaning influencers. Like, I'm a changed woman. We have the white vinegar spray by Star Drops again. And then, elbow grease. So this is a favourite of Mrs. Hinch. So I definitely wanted to pop this in our new home cleaning collection. And then this, which we've lost the lid for, which I'm kind of like sad about because it just doesn't look great. This is the concentrated Fabulosa Disinfectant, all-in-one disinfectant spray for hard and soft surfaces. So this was the little basket I was going to show you. So this is a bigger pink one. And then I also got a shallow grey tray as well. Like, to me, this is just so exciting. It's like I can keep my home clean, smelling fresh, just tidy and organised, and that's just thrilling. Like, again, I don't know why I'm so nervous. It's fine. This might not be for you. It wouldn't have been for me like a year ago. I wouldn't have cared. I just thought, right, cleaning haul, okay. But honestly, can't explain. We have Astonish Mould and Mildew Blaster. So in our upstairs bathroom, we have tiles and obviously like the little bits in the middle. So we like to keep those nice and clean because I've seen so many bathrooms you see, it has like the little orangey stains and just mould, and you know, we want to get on top of that. We have this, which I love. So I've been using this on the kitchen sink and it's amazing. It is the Sif Perfect Finish Stainless Steel 100% Streak Free Shine. So this isn't like necessarily necessary, but it makes it really shiny. And it's quite satisfying walking away from your shiny sink. We have the Flash Bathroom with Febreze Freshness Long Lasting Shine. We also have the Flash Bathroom Liquid, which we use to clean the bath, because basically when we first got in, although the house was immaculate and they'd really cleaned it for us, we wanted to do a deep clean because obviously someone else has used that bath and that kind of thing. So we really wanted to do a deep clean, hence why there are a lot of products as well. Oh, I haven't got my mop through. Oh, the mop is the 1-2 Veleda mop, the spray mop. So you pour your diluted Zaflora in the top or your floor cleaner, whatever you want to use. You like activate it, you like it sprays in front of the mop. Oh, so much fun. Oh. We have a Duck 5-in-1 dissolves lime scale, a unique neck, better reach equals better cleaning. You know, just for the toilet bowl. You know what that does. We have a Viacal #1 against lime scale with Febreze Freshness. So this, I haven't used this yet, but this has some amazing reviews. I've seen so many people talking about this, so I definitely wanted to have that in our collection, our cleaning collection, who'd have thought. We got some Astonish Power Clean toilet bowl tabs. And then my sister actually recommended this one. This is the Blue Foam Aroma Self-Acting Fragrance Powder. So you pop this in your toilet bowl and then it just like foams up, so I'm really excited to watch that happen. So now for some tools. So this I think is genius. So we've got Venetian blinds, they're not up yet, but we've got them nonetheless. And look, so you can put them there, clamp it and glide along. £1. This was the Pink Stuff kit I was telling you about. So it's got the cloth in it. The Pink Stuff Miracle Cleaning Paste, Star Drops, and Spontex proudly present loyal fans with this special cleaning kit. Honestly, the cleaning community is huge. Like, guys, and I'm now a proud member. So I got a Pledge Dust It Fluffy Duster starter pack because y'all need a fluffy duster. We have some Dishmatic refills, pink and green, and I'll use them for different things because I've got... Which one's the actual Dishmatic ones? These two, because I've got these two, and then this one, which is a Spontex one, will probably just be used for the washing up, whereas these two will be used for other things, because you can literally use that on anything and it's fab. So I got those, and then I was so excited to see these. So they're dual-sided. One is like the scrubber side, and then the other side is a white sponge. You can use it indoors, outdoors, just with a lot of things. But something I love that I didn't even think about was, it says, my smile cleans both sides of your utensils. So just shove it in and out. Don't do that on camera. So just shove it in and out of the mouth. Ooh. So yeah, great, and they're super cute. Who doesn't want to look at a smiley face sponge? So to wear on my feet while I mop, you guessed it, got some Mop Slippers, printed cleaning slippers. These were the only ones they had apparently, so Tom picked these up. I think these are from the range. These are the just flamingo and they're pink. It just means you won't get footprints in the freshly cleaned floors. I got a pack of 3 Minkies. Everyone loves a Minky. So we've got a grey one, a pink one and a green one. And I've already got 2 out in the kitchen and they are amazing. That's all they are amazing. I also picked up the Minky antibacterial bathroom pad for the bathroom. I like things being different colours, and obviously that is the bathroom one, but I like things being different colours because then you think, right, that one's for that, that one's for that. Obviously anything that's, you know, going to be used in the toilet will be toilet only. But yes, we got a Spontex Microfiber window kit. So it's got a all-purpose cloth and a window cloth. We have a Minky high-tech duster for sparkling clean surfaces. We have a Pride Minky. This is, again, just a Minky, but with the rainbow Pride, and that came out this month, I believe, but I thought it was pretty. I got some Poundland versions. So maybe we use these outside for things. I'm not sure. But guys, they're brilliant. I don't know what it is about them, but they're fab. I have the Minky glass and window for a crystal clear finish, so that is the green one. I've got your bog standard done and dusted large yellow dusters. I used to grab these out of my mum's cupboard when I was small, and I just used to like wipe things. I wouldn't be helping, but I felt like I was, and I enjoyed myself. We have some gloves. We have some yellow ones, which will probably be used for the bathroom. And then we have some pink ones, which probably will be used for everything else, because I don't want, you know, obviously you clean the gloves, but like if things are in the toilet, I don't want to also use that in the kitchen, you know? So I've got those. I have Minky sponge wipes, so a yellow and green. And then I've got the Spontex Too Thick Moppets. And to me, these ones just look like toast, like they feel like toast, pink toast. So I'm so excited to use those. And then I have 3 microfiber cleaning cloths in different colours again. And that, my friends, is actually it. Do you want to see cleaning videos? Do you like clean with me? Do you like seeing these on Instagram stories? Because I really do. And I feel like I really want to be involved. And yes, I'm new at this and I may get things wrong, and yes, this is an excessive cleaning haul, but it's a new home cleaning haul and it was a deep cleaning haul for when we first moved in, and yeah, hopefully we won't have to buy any cleaning products for a long time. I'd love to know your cleaning tips and tricks and your favourite cleaning products. If you've got any of the cleaning products that I have just shown you, what do you use them for? I am ready. I'm ready to learn and I'm ready to clean. Give me a big fat thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.